What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem refers to a community of living organisms along with the non-living components of their environment, such as air, water, and mineral soil, interacting as a system. These biotic and abiotic components are linked through nutrient cycles and energy flows. Ecosystems can be as large as a desert or as small as a pond. Define biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life in the world or in a particular habitat or ecosystem. It is crucial as it ensures natural sustainability for all life forms and maintains a balanced and supportive environment. What is sustainability? Sustainability is the practice of using natural resources in a way that they can regenerate and sustain over time, thereby not depleting the resources future generations will rely on. It integrates ecological, economic, and social dimensions to promote responsible and thoughtful use of the planet's resources. Explain conservation. Conservation involves the careful management of the environment and natural resources for prevention of exploitation, degradation, and destruction. Conservation strategies may include sustainable practices and the management of land, water, and biological resources. What is deforestation? Deforestation is the removal of a forest or stand of trees where the land is thereafter converted to a non-forest use. It can result in significant decrease in biodiversity and disruption of ecological balances, including increased carbon emissions. Define pollution. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. It can take the form of chemical substances or energy, such as noise, heat, or light. Pollution can degrade the quality of life for all organisms and is a major factor in the imbalance of ecosystems. What is recycling? Recycling involves the process of converting waste materials into new products to prevent waste of potentially useful materials. It reduces the consumption of fresh raw materials, energy usage, air pollution from incineration, and water pollution from landfilling. Explain ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. It involves studying how organisms interact with each other and with their environment. What is renewable? Renewable resources are natural resources which can replenish with the passage of time, either through biological reproduction or other naturally recurring processes. Examples include sunlight, wind, rain, tides, and geothermal heat. Define habitat. A habitat is the natural environment in which an organism lives, or the physical environment that surrounds a species population. What is afforestation? Afforestation is the establishment of a forest or stand of trees in an area where there was no previous tree cover. It helps combat global warming as trees absorb carbon dioxide and potentially harmful gases, such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, from the air. Explain biome. A biome is a large naturally occurring community of flora and fauna occupying a major habitat, example, forest or tundra. Biomes are defined by factors such as plant structures, climate, and geography. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis is any type of a close and long-term biological interaction between two different biological organisms, be it mutualistic, commensalistic, or parasitic. The organisms, each termed a symbiont, may be of the same or of different species. Define erosion. Erosion is the action of surface processes, such as water flow or wind, that remove soil, rock, or dissolved material from one location on the Earth's crust, then transport it to another location where it is deposited. What is greenhouse? A greenhouse is a structure with walls and roof made chiefly of transparent material, such as glass, in which plants requiring regulated climatic conditions are grown. It also refers to the effect caused by the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere that traps heat, warming the planet. Explain anthropogenic. Anthropogenic refers to environmental pollution and pollutants originating in human activity. Anthropogenic effects, processes, objects, or materials are those that are derived from human activities, as opposed to those occurring in natural environments without human influences. What is xeriscaping? Xeriscaping is a landscape method developed especially for arid and semi-arid climates that utilizes water-conserving techniques such as the use of drought-tolerant plants, mulch, and efficient irrigation. Define biodegradable. Biodegradable material is capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms and thereby avoiding pollution. This term is often associated with environmentally friendly products that break down and return to nature. What is permaculture? Permaculture is a system of agricultural and social design principles centered around simulating or directly utilizing the patterns and features observed in natural ecosystems. It aims to cultivate land sustainably and in harmony with nature. Explain carbon footprint. A carbon footprint is the total amount of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, that are generated by our actions. The average carbon footprint of a person includes the emissions from energy used in their daily life, like heating, transportation, and the production of the food and goods they consume. What is mitigation? Mitigation refers to the action of reducing the severity, seriousness, or painfulness of something. In environmental context, it specifically pertains to efforts to reduce or prevent the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere to prevent global warming. Define aquifer. An aquifer is an underground layer of water-bearing permeable rock, rock fractures or unconsolidated materials, gravel, sand, or silt, from which groundwater can be extracted using a water well. Aquifers play a crucial role in the natural water cycle and are important sources of water for human consumption and agriculture. What is composting? Composting is a natural process of recycling organic matter, such as leaves and food scraps, into a valuable fertilizer that can enrich soil and plants. This process helps to divert waste from landfills, reduces the emission of methane gas, and provides nutrients to the soil. Explain biomass. Biomass refers to organic material that comes from plants and animals, and it is a renewable source of energy. When burned, the chemical energy in biomass is released as heat. It can also be converted into other energy products like biofuel and biogas. What is restoration? Restoration involves the return of an ecosystem or habitat to its original structure, functioning, and species composition. Environmental restoration focuses on repairing damaged or destroyed ecosystems and habitats, often through human intervention and ecological practices. Define wetlands. Wetlands are land areas that are saturated with water, either permanently or seasonally, and take on the characteristics of a distinct ecosystem. The primary factor that distinguishes wetlands from other land forms or water bodies is the characteristic vegetation of aquatic plants adapted to the unique hydric soil. What is ozone layer? The ozone layer is a layer in the Earth's stratosphere containing a high concentration of ozone molecules. It absorbs the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet light, making it an essential feature for protecting terrestrial organisms, including humans. Explain geoengineering. Geoengineering is the deliberate large-scale manipulation of an environmental process that affects the Earth's climate in an attempt to counteract the effects of global warming. Methods include solar radiation management and carbon dioxide removal.